Hi everyone, my name is Gian and today I'll be showing you the newest product of Deli, the Scribe Mechanical Pencil U603. This is their new addition to Deli stationery products. It's made with ABS, a common thermoplastic polymer which is used largely for mechanical purposes but is also used to make plastic toys such as the Lego bricks. Now, what I like about this product is that it has a triangular barrel with a matte finish texture so that it's easier and more comfortable to use. So if you're going to use a pencil, you'll need an eraser. The Scribe Mechanical Pencil has a detachable eraser attached on top of the pencil. It's also available in 4 vibrant colors. We have orange, pink, lime green, and it's also available in blue.